Hi, this is Jimmy Wen from Guarantee Rate. Today I want to talk about what kind of documents are important to keep for a long time, okay, and do not throw them away. Obviously, your tax returns are very important. At least the last 2 years tax return W-2 that need to be kept. These days, people like to put them in the USB, electronic format, that's fine. Physical format is okay, like a paper file is okay too. So this is number one that you must keep. And during the transaction, you normally needed to provide 2 recent paychecks. So when you get the paychecks, when you deposit, don't throw away the pay stub because we like to see the details. And also 2-month bank statement. Sometimes people just throw it away, or sometimes people just give you like page 1 of the bank statement. We normally need all pages. Let's say if the bank statement says 8 pages, that means we need all 8 pages. Even if number 8 is blank or it's just some prints, we still need that, okay? So these are the most important documents, obviously. Your driver's license, if you're from another country, your visa, all those things are important. But there are some documents I like to talk to you that you wanted to keep it. Like for example, if you owed somebody, let's say a collection in the past, right? And then you paid for them, and you paid either credit card or you paid by your bank account, or you write them a check, and hopefully you can print out the cancel check, or maybe print out that statement and circle that and keep those documents. Because sometimes down the road you're trying to do a loan, when you run a credit and then it shows up again, but you already paid, right? Because we're human. So the other side of the company, they may receive it, but they probably didn't forgot to report to the bureau. That bureau know you paid. Sometimes that happen. So you wanted to make sure that you prove that you paid them, right? So that's one of the documents. The other documents are, let's say, foreclosure short sale. People did a foreclosure short sale in the past. They have closing statement, or they have some kind of document from the bank, and those are the papers that you want to keep for a long time. I would say keep for a lifetime, because you never know when you're going to just apply a loan and then they pop up this question, ask you and want you to provide some stuff, right? So you want to make sure you keep that. And also the other things is like let's say bankruptcy paper. Sometimes people file bankruptcy and then you move on with your life. You kind of wanting to forget about it, right? But sometimes when you try to apply a loan, and the lender will ask you for bankruptcy paper and the discharge paper, because the lender wants to see what are included in the bankruptcy. So those are the paper you want to keep for a long time. And the other thing is a divorce paper. Once you divorce, sometimes you have to pay alimony, or you might have some kind of arrangement that's ordered by the court, by the judge. And during the loan transaction, the underwriter sometimes will ask to see those paper, even if that could be like many years, because it all depends on what's come up, right? When they do the search, stuff like that. So these are some of the documents that even if, let's say, you had it for a few years ago, it's okay, keep them. You can seal them and make a mark, and then just for your own reference. The other thing is, like, if you're from a foreign country, your birth certificate, those are important. Birth certificate these days, sometimes, especially from other countries, when husband and wife don't have the same last name, or you wanted to add your children, your parents onto the title, and sometimes the county wanted to see your birth certificate. These are very important documents that you wanted to keep for a long time. Any questions, please give us a call, 702-876-8678. Thank you.